Pneumatic technology. Pneumatic technology means simply the pneumatic system is fully operated by means of the fluid medium. It is called compressed air. So you know clearly the hydraulic system is fully operated by means of the fluid, that is liquids, incompressible liquids. But in pneumatic technology, the fluid medium used is compressed gases, that is compressed air we are using. One more time, pneumatic technology deals with the study of behavior and applications of compressed air in our daily life in general and manufacturing automation in particular. Pneumatic systems use air as the medium which is abundantly available and can be exhausted into the atmosphere after completion of the assigned task. So it is not a closed system, it is an open system. Then components of a pneumatic system. So as we already know, the heart of the pneumatic system is the compressor. It is connected with the filter. The compressor is run by means of electric motor. When the electric motor rotates, the compressor will be rotate. So the atmospheric air will come from atmosphere and enters into the compressor. It compresses the air. It compresses or increase the pressure of the air. Then it is sent to the cooler. Then it separates the foreign particles available in the atmospheric air. Then the purified air will be stored in the receiver. Then this air is sent for secondary air treatment, that is filter, regulator, lubricator. The atmospheric air conditions will not be suitable for the pneumatic system. So pre-treat that air. We are introducing secondary air treatment. Then treated air will be sent to the DCV as usual. DCV. Then it is sent to the blind end of the actuator. So work will be done. So when the DCV position changes, the opposite work will be done. There is retraction of the piston will be takes place. Then these are the main components. Air filters. These are used to filter out the contaminants from the air. Then compressor. Compressed air is generally by using air compressor. Air compressor are either diesel or electrically operated. Based on the requirement of compressed air, suitable capacity compressors may be used. Then air cooler. During compression operation, air temperature increases. Therefore, coolers are used to reduce the temperature of the compressed air. Then dryer. The water vapor or moisture in the air is separated from the air by using the dryer. Then control valves. Control valves are used to regulate, control and monitor for the direction of flow, pressure, etc. Air actuator. Air cylinders and motors are used to obtain the required movements of mechanical elements of the pneumatic system. Then electric motor. So it transforms the electrical energy into mechanical energy. It is used to drive the compressor. Then at last, receiver tank. The compressed air coming from the compressor is stored in the tank. It is called receiver. So this is a simple line diagram of receiver tank. So it is inlet. This is a inlet coming from compressor. This is the storage tank, manhole. We can see through the manhole. It has several provisions are available. It is safety relief valve. So depending, the pressure will be monitored always here. The pressure gauge shows the pressure available inside the pressure of the air. Thermometer, temperature of the air will be visible here. Then shut-off valve, everything will be available here. So always we can control the air pressure or air temperature available in the receiver tank. Then compressor. So it is a mechanical device which converts the mechanical energy into fluid energy. The compressor increases the air pressure by reducing its volume, which also increases the temperature of the compressed air. The compressor is selected based on the pressure it needs to operate and the delivery volume. The compressor is as usual, it is also divided into positive displacement compressor and dynamic displacement compressor as pumps, hydraulic pumps. Then single stage and single acting and double acting air compressor. Single stage single acting compressor is this one. So it is just like a piston connecting rod crankshaft. So it is a cylinder. Then it has two valves, inlet and outlet valve. When the piston moves from TDC to BDC, suction will be takes place. So the air will come inside into the compressor. Then when the piston moves from BDC to TDC, the fluid will gets compressed, and after reaches its pressure, this valve will be in open condition. So the air will send out. This is single acting, single stage single acting. This is single stage double acting compressor. So double acting compressor means both sides of the piston will be activated. That is, the suction and delivery will be takes place on both sides of the piston. So when the piston moves IDC to ODC, suction will be takes place in the inner dead center. At the same time, delivery will be takes place at the outer dead center. So like this, both sides of the piston will be activated, like suction and delivery. So this is the working of single stage, single acting and double acting air compressor. Thank you, students.